Okay, geometry people, here we go with the Locus of Points 3, the review section. This is going to be a quick review. So here we have a chart I'm going to fill in that talks about what you are given and what you get as your locus of points. So if you are given a point, whoops, let's get some pencil going here. Okay, if you're given a point, which means you have an X and a Y, what you get is a circle. And if you don't have a specific center, you just put with center HK with a radius of D. And if you have some specific ordered pairs, you can fill it into the equation of a circle: x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. Oops, minus, sorry. Quantity squared is equal to r squared. If they give you a line, what you're going to get is you're going to get two parallel lines. So if you don't have enough information to be specific, that's all you need to put. Otherwise, you could supply them with two equations of a line: y equals mx plus b. Next, if you are given 2 points, the locus of points about 2 points is going to be the perpendicular bisector of the segment that's created by those 2 points, which means you're going to have to find the slope, where you use the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You're going to have to find the perpendicular slope, which means you need to take the negative reciprocal. Whoops, reciprocal. And then you're also going to need to find the midpoint to get that bisector. And the midpoint formula is the sum of the x's, comma, the sum of the y's over 2. If you're given 2 parallel lines, you're going to get a single parallel line. And you could also supply the equation for that if you had enough information to write it: y equals mx plus b. And if you had 2 intersecting lines, you would end up with 2 angle bisectors. And you could write those equations: y equals mx plus b, and the other line would be y equals, and I'm going to write this as negative 1 over m, because they would be perpendicular to each other. The 2 angle bisectors are perpendicular to each other. The 2 angle bisectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, that wraps it up. Study your chart, do extra problems, and see you in class tomorrow.